All right, enough with the hype intro. Look, specs on it, can clear up to 21 inches, can shoot up to 45 feet, and it can do 13 inches deep. But the thing is that why are you gonna listen to me? I've had experience with plenty of snowblowers, gas and electric, single and 2-stage. This thing's a beast. Listen to this. That's it. We're gonna do more doing than talk. If you're looking at this video because you're looking for a new snowblower, you wanna see it in action than some dummy like me talking. So we're gonna take this over to my warehouse and we're gonna go give it a quick blow job. 6 inches here of fluff with some compaction on the bottom. Oh yeah. First pass, we're getting all the way down. It's got these really nice tires, a grip, but this is not a 2-stage where it's propelling itself. We're pushing it. So this thing is performing well here. Look at this. I love it. Powered shoot. It's awesome. Wind's blowing in the face here. Kind of bring this girl down. All right, let's keep going. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's take a look at this. Oh yeah. We're getting down dirty. That is, you know, decently deep. This is getting all the way down. That is some compacted stuff down there. Oh yeah, getting up to 8-9 inches there. Oh, coming back, that crosswind is just blowing all this shit in my face. This has been our deepest. Yeah, 10.5 inches. Plowing right through it. Yeah. All right, this thing is an A+. There's the heated handles. My hands are warm. I'm wearing like these little tiny gloves. And the shoot, using the power, real easy. It's real quick. We have the adjustable bar here. I've been on full blast the whole time. And normally with single stages, you can't get down to the cement. It's like it kind of just skips over it. And this thing's getting right down to the bottom. No problem. There's no slipping. The tread is holding on, and overall, this thing is fantastic. And let's just take a look. Battery power here. We got the gauge. Yet, our batteries are 3/4. This right here, we were doing 8 inches all the way up to just about 11 inches here. And I mean, we can fit what? Maybe like 6 cars here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did that and the sidewalk. We're at half power. We got 2 8-amp-hour batteries in here. I mean, I'll take this all day for my driveway. I don't need no 2-stage big honker that's going to be sitting in the way. There's no need. So, you know, let's go to my house. Oh yeah. This thing's a freaking Terminator. I don't even need gloves. My hands are so warm on this thing. my feet, I'd say so. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, oh yeah, look at the direction. Power, baby. Down to the cement. Unbelievable. This machine is actually unbelievable. Cool. Are you seeing this? This is all the way down to the cement, and this is compacted ice. So the thing lights up the driveway, it shoots the snow, and it gets all the way down to the cement. That's what you want. The proof's in the video. You can't edit that stuff. It just performs. I don't know what else to tell you. Comes with two 8-amp-hour batteries. I mean, that, you know, if you're in the battery world, that costs a lot, and these things are on sale right now. So if you use SENIX TND, you'll get an extra 10%. Check out the link in the bio. I don't make any money off it, you know, but you can get a sick discount, and they're doing some serious discounts on snow gear. I'll leave a link over here to the handheld snowblower that they have. Instead of the power, it's a power shovel, and it has wheels on it. So it's actually really easy to use if you have a small driveway, has a small footprint. And that's the thing about these. It's like this thing has collapsible handles here. This thing folds up. Small footprint. I think you might even be able to stand it up, but I'm going to go use this thing. So, all right, guys, subscribe to the channel. This thing's a beast. I love you. Peace.